Good day, everybody. This is Alvin from Twin State Agency. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Analytics for your website. And you can use Google Analytics to help you see how many people visit your site and what they do there. So today, I'm going to be setting mine up for a Linktree page that I created for my social account. And so I can track the data and metrics on here. So if you want any details on a Linktree page, reach out and I'll gladly assist you. So what you want to do is come over to Google and you want to create a Google Analytic account. So you want to go to, what is it? Analytics.google.com. It's going to take you there. You're going to have to sign in. If you don't have a Google account, you're going to have to create one. And once you signed in, click on Start Measuring to set up a new account. So what I want to do here is I want to go to, for the ones that's already have a Google Analytic account set up and just want to do it the correct way or need assistance on how to do it, just search it, Analytic Tools and Solutions for your business. And you want to hit Get Started today. Here, once you hit Get Started, you're going to come to this page where you create an account and create your property. And basically, our property is your website inside of the Google Analytics. So you want to enter an account name here. I'm going to name this one Twin State Agency Linktree. Come down and hit Next. Then you want to enter a property name. We want to call this one Social Link Linktree. You want to make sure your time zone is correct. If you're selling anything that is e-commerce that you want to track, make sure the currency is correct as well. All right, and you want to get close to your industry as possible. It might not match up perfect, so you can scroll through, try to find the one. If not, you can always hit other business activity. And I'm gonna choose the business size. So choose your business objective. To get recommendations personalized for your business, select the objective most relevant to you. So I am only going to use this for understand web traffic, and I want to know view user engagements and retention. All right, and if you're using this as a lead generation page funnel, um, you can choose this to measure actions that indicate potential customers, such as completing contact forms or requesting a quote. If you're doing sales, to analyze and optimize sales and any financial transaction on your website, you can choose that one. So I'm just measuring website visits and the channels that drive their visit. Learn how people explore products or services on my app, on my website. And you want to hit create. Oh, fine print. Want to read that. So you want to create and you want to start collecting data, and we want to collect from a website. So it happened fast, but right here on the website, click it. So the HTTPS is already there. So you want to copy your website, come over to the website, control copy your domain. and come back and you want to paste it here. And I'm gonna name this one because I will also later add other pages to this. So this is a stream that I'm watching on this uh, account. And this is what they're going to be tracking, which is your page views, your scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement, file downloads, and forum interactions. So I want to turn that on and create and continue. So this is the fun part because it's the easiest part. You want to copy this code here and you want to go to your hosting site where your site is built. You might want to reach out. You might want to reach out to your um, marketing person or someone on the team. Or if not, you can also reach out to me. I will gladly assist you for this, just to help you out, no problem. And you want to add your tracking code. So you want to go to either, if you use WordPress, you can install it with a plugin like Monster Insights to do to add it in easily. Or just copy and paste your tracking ID there. If you're not using WordPress, you can add it manually by pasting the code on your website in the header section. And like I said, this might require some help from your website admin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy mine and I'm gonna come over to my side and I want to come over to settings and I use go high level and I want to come down to head tracking code. Take that out of there and then I want to control V. So put the current tracking code there. And always remember to save your work. I had to learn the hard way. uh, so once you get it in there, you want to come back over to analytics. Come back over to analytics. And you want to hit test installation. Your Google tag was created correctly detected on your website. Great job. And like I said, if you have any issues to that point, please reach out or you can rewatch this video. My apologies for all the fumbling. Hopefully it was easy to understand. It is my first video. I can only get better from here. So if you run an ads, you're going to need these. You're not running ads, you're basically okay. And this is just some information you can go through and check the monitor. So there's nothing here right now because it takes 24 to 48 hours for it to work. But once you win, you can start seeing some other details. So you got nothing there now. It'll start showing the active users, the event count, how many interact with that page, the event that happens, new users, key events, uh, active users in the last 30 minutes. Of course, that was me while I was testing it. You always want to go in and check it. So you see, I was there 2 minutes ago. And as you get more traffic to your site, more insights will come through and you can set everything up. Any issues, any problems you need me to guide you through, I'm here to help you.